Hi, this is Ivy Nguyen, the program coordinator with the UT Physician International District. Today we're going to have the Pastor Huang to talk about dragon fruits from Asia Cultural Market. And you might see that at the supermarket.
在10几年前，我回台湾去，看到他们的屋顶上很多红红的手榴弹，我觉得很奇妙，我就叫他们停车。一问，那不是手榴弹，是叫火龙果，所以我请他们停车，我下去看看。
So about 10 years ago, he went back to Taiwan. When he was driving by, he looked at the house. There are a lot of fruit growing on the roof, looked like grenade. So he asked them, "What is that?"
那他们告诉我这叫火龙果。那火龙果他切了一块给我吃，很好吃，所以我就请他们帮我运了一些到美国来。
So they say this is a dragon fruit. When it comes to pieces, it tastes delicious. So he decided to ask them to bring it over to Houston.
所以我就在 Houston 开始种，种完了以后，他们电视台要我去跟他们讲一下什么叫做火龙果，那我就稍微讲了一下。那我带了一些的种子去，一节一节的给大家去种，所以基本上我送了大概40几棵出去。那现在几乎有差不多家家户户都有。supermarket 超市现在也很多，已经这5、6年前也就开始送过来。最近还有一种黄色的，特别的甜。
Yeah. So when he came back from Taiwan, so he grew them up, and then he began to explain that in the Houston TV stations. So people get to know of this, and then he grow them up, he distribute them, give it about to people. Now we can even buy from supermarket. And then you have different kind of variety. One is a white, one is a yellow, one is a purple.
Some is inside is red one，这里面是红的，有一些里面是白的。那最近有一种黄色特别甜，所以这3种不同的味道。以后假如大家有兴趣，可以跟我们多联络，跟博士我们多一起来联络。
So right now we have basically 3 variety. One is the fruit inside is white. Another one like this one, the bay fruit inside is purple. And because it's purple, it gives you a lot of antioxidant. It's more delicious, more healthy. And then another kind is like this one. It's the yellow.
Yellow.
Inside white, outside look more yellowish. Inside is still white, but it's very sweet.
所以我们现在就这种很好种，你只要把剪一节插下去，不要插太深，大概插1寸半到2寸。那外面用那个比较营养的土，它也需要营养，它不怕干，也不怕湿，这种是以前长在沙漠里面的，有点像是我们所说的那个沙漠的那个叫什么？
Yeah, desert plant.
它就
Cactus.
它就能够长。
So this is actually very easy to grow. You just take one segment, like as shown here. You see here. You take a piece of this one segment from here. And then you just take a hole, put it in the ground, maybe 2 or 3 inches inside the ground. And then you give them some organic fertilizers. And over time you grow, you like this. Boom.
所以，假如大家对于这种火龙果有兴趣的话基本上我们现在是很容易种，我们可以切一节一节。那大家有兴趣可以来跟 Dr. Wu 要，也可以跟我要。我们每一个人，我们希望你们大家都种起来，这又营养又好吃，也很容易种。
So if you're interested, you can visit his house and talk to him. He can give you a few pieces. You can grow them. Very easy to grow, not difficult, and it's worth it because the fruit are delicious and nutrition.
非常容易照顾，不需要花太多精神，就跟我们刚刚讲那个地瓜一样，我们家种的满地都是，很容易就种。这2种都是很容易种的水果跟蔬菜。
Yeah, it's quite relatively easy to grow, just like you grow the sweet potato. Wouldn't take too much effort.
另外，这火龙果很容易种，很容易照顾，但唯一的就是它怕冷。under那个0度以下的时候就要把它搬到车库或搬到房子里去。
Yeah, this dragon fruit is very easy to grow, but there's one thing we need to beware of. It will not withstand the winter temperature. You need to go below 0 degrees, it will die. So you have to move this inside your garage or your house. That's why this is grown in the greenhouse.